Alright, today I'm going to be putting a Gillette 7 o'clock Super Platinum razor blades into my DE razor right here. Right here I have a Parker 24C, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this in here. Here is a Super Platinum made in India. Great blades from what I've been told. And so I'm just going to be putting this one in. I'm exchanging a Super Max. Use a Super Max, it cuts fairly well. So I'm just going to unscrew the top right here and unscrew the top, and then the top comes off. And what I'm going to do is, here's the old blade. I'm going to pop that off. You shouldn't handle it like that. You could cut yourself. That's a Super Max right here. All right, and here's the blade. I use shaving oil when I shave, so there's oil going to be on the blade. I'm just going to take this and just wipe it off like this. All right. Then I'm going to take this part and wipe off the hairs as well as oil right there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open one of the packages. So here's the Gillette 7 o'clock Super Platinum. Just going to flip it open like that. Open it from right here. All right, cool. I'm just going to take the blade. I'm just going to turn it this way so you can see it a little bit better. 7 o'clock Super Platinum. Place it down on top of that. Okay. And then I'm going to take my razor top and then put it like that. And then screw it back on. Just like that. Alright, I just replaced the razor blade. Now I have the Gillette 7 o'clock Super Platinum on there. And that's just me putting on. Let me know if you have any questions.